How to adjust the hour on this Decathlon watch. Here we have some specifications on the back. To adjust the hour, you have to long press the top left button. So long press that one, we have that set. And now with that and that you can adjust the hour. The top one moves it up and the lower one brings it down. Up to 9 and 10 o'clock, down to 9 and 8 o'clock. And to jump to the next one, to the minute, you have to press this one. There is an OK sign. That jumps to the next one. The same thing, you can increase it or decrease it. Or if you want to exit, just press that button. Now, okay, let's start from the beginning. So long press the top one. Set is shown. Let's set it to, let's say, 9 o'clock and exit with the top left. And that's it. To set it back, long press the top left again. Push it down. It went from 9 to 8 and lock it back again. The top right is showing the top line, which is the date, November 19. So that's how to adjust the hour and minute on this Decathlon watch. This requires a CR2016 battery. CR2016.